Hi and welcome in today's video. Mariam here, sharing about how to live a more nourishing, energizing and prosperous life. Today it is a kind of special video. I wasn't sure if I would be able to make it because honestly it's not easy. I am today showing you the downside, the behind the scene of living on energy, I do share, or at least this is my goal to share on this YouTube channel, the ups and the downs, the daily life, the how it is like and how is it that I do when it comes to living on energy, meaning having more energy to the point that, meaning having more energy, at least to my perspective, through moving, fasting, meditating, enjoying life, to a point that you have so much energy that you have a lot more freedom, and this freedom allows you to have less needs and access to more capacities and possibilities. I do share that all the time. Hopefully it's getting clearer and clearer now. But so yeah, when you live on energy more, you realize you have a lot less needs, thus you realize you live in a lot more abundance, and thus you realize you have a lot more freedom. You can create a lot better, you can attract things and manifest things a lot faster and better. And there's a downside to it. You kind of realize sometimes if you open up to the world, to others around you, and you actually want to share with others your joy and happiness and do that one thing you only want to do, people aren't ready for that. Most of them, most people are still not living this lifestyle. This is a reality, and that's why I was a little sad today. Not today the whole day, okay, I'm just dragging it to share with you right now. But after my meditation, I was talking to a couple friends and realized those friends were in a situation or lifestyle I long ago quitted, and I forgot. When you live this life, you forget that people still get tired, and when you ask them, why are you tired? They answer, because I was working. And when you ask them, well, why were you working? To earn money. Why are you working to the point you get tired? To earn money for what? You realize they earn money to pay for things they don't actually need, but they think they need them, therefore they go to work to earn money to pay for things they don't need. The whole thing you probably know about. When you realize people are still so believing this is the only possibility, and so many of those people, including your family, the friends you have, the people you actually like, maybe your own self to some extent, you realize this is the reality they live. It's hard because you realize, well, if you didn't think you need all those things, food, drugs, alcohol, cigarettes, furniture, house, cars, if you were not paying for those, you wouldn't need to earn so much money. Therefore, you wouldn't need to work for someone else, do something you don't like, or do something for so many hours every week, or almost even every day for some people. You wouldn't need to do those things. Therefore, you would have more time for yourself. You could focus on fasting, moving, meditating, and enjoying your life. Therefore, you would live such a different life. And you could do that one thing again that only matters when you live on energy, that I'm going to share in this video, that even most breatharian gurus and people don't do, because they're still themselves stuck in the I need to earn money. And I'm not saying I don't need to, but right now I feel like I need so little than that I can just sell a couple things, work like an hour a week, and that's enough for me to pay for my things, really. Even my place I live right now, so okay, let's make a little bracket for this. Me being into a down means, look, bed isn't made. I meditated, didn't make the bed after. Laundry is drying over there. Room isn't tidied. My joggings, running, workout, clothes they're in a mess. Now you may think, Mariam, this is not a mess at all. To me it is, because when you live on energy, the outside, your house, is the exact reflection of your inside. Not actually only when you live on energy, right? And so if this is like that, it means inside of me, that's how I feel. Messy stuff, clean, in the process of being cleaned, right? And things still hanging out there which not supposed to be there. But anyway, perfectionism, fine. coming back to the story, my point. So yeah, when you live on energy more, you realize even fasting, moving, I say fasting soon enough, I will share more about that. Fasting, moving, meditation don't take long at all. Like, they take a few hours of your day, and your day is just so long that you actually don't even work through days. You work through like a permanent, long, unlimited timeline where you add things and where you just do this one thing. I will say it now, you just play. And that's what I mean. We just like basically this lifestyle, and a lot of people ask me, how come you look this way? How come you look so young? How come you have so much energy? Because I think, and my mind is like the mind of a child, right? And people forget about this life, living on energy, and the way you look is the exact reflection of your mindset. And if your mindset is like behaving like a child, playing, having fun, not thinking too much about the future, not worrying, not being anxious about anything, trying new things, being challenging yourself, connecting with people no matter the way they look, they think, their culture, their religion, doesn't matter about any of that. When you behave as a child, you look like a child more. You look young more. You have more energy. You have this youthful energy no matter your age. So that's one key about, because I did receive these questions so many times, even when I was working in London, people would be like, well, how old are you? And when I was answering at the beginning and I saw their faces, I actually stopped telling my age and stopped saying why I had all the energy I have. And later on I said, I am into fasting and moving. I feel like this is a good answer and not too specific. Coming back to my story, I know I do digressions, don't you worry, this is normal. My omniscient brain comes back to the main point of this video. Living like a child, people forget that the only thing you need to do or want to do when you live on energy more is to play, to have fun, to connect with others, to do games, to dance or to do art, to perform, to basically be an entertainer. And it doesn't matter what you do, whatever you like doing, whatever gives you energy, as I constantly repeat, is the only thing you need to do. No need to be a teacher, no need to be a healer, no need to be a guru, no need to be a mentor, no need to do retreats and seminars, no need for any of that. And I'm saying that because a lot of people still in the spiritual field do these things because they believe these things are the only thing you can do, and I don't believe in that today. I don't. But very few people would join me and live this life where you actually just play with others, just do games, just behave like a child, just forget about wanting to fix things. Sorry, yeah, I told you the down of living on energy, and I'm not gonna hide it because I want you to see and to know. Right. Just breathe, Mariam, it's okay. Just playing the piano upstairs. This is so nice. Such a perfect moment for that. So yeah, the only thing and the only conclusion I want to share with you is that the only thing you have to, or you want to do when you live on energy more, is to have fun and to play and to share that with others. And I believe this whole pandemic situation that we are facing now at the moment I'm making this video is only for us to remember that and to come back to that, to come back to playing and having fun times together, gathering together, no matter the belief and no matter, because also a lot of people say I want to be with like-minded people. Who cares? Everyone is like-minded. In everyone you will find qualities that you have or talents that you have or things that we all like to play, and we all like to do things that make us happy. We all like to share and have games and fun together. So everybody is like-minded in that respect. There's no one who is like lower or higher. No, we're all the same when it comes to this. Again, come back to being a child, thinking the way of a child. A child doesn't question, is this person like-minded? A child just goes to encountering the first person and considers this person like-minded, right? So I believe this is all about whichever situation happening now is leading us to. And if you can remember that, and maybe let go of belief around money, around survival, around possessing material things that you hardly need. Even me, I'm here. This room is probably the biggest I've ever had, but I'm getting so comfortable and lazy. I mean, not like a lot, but I do go out and do things, but I know that I do a lot less than what I could do. And therefore I am moving. I'm moving because I don't need that. Why would I pay? I don't pay much, but I mean, much considering the prices in London. But I feel like I'm paying for something I don't need. There's 5 bedrooms in this house, so this is mine and I share with 2 other people. There's a garden, I never go in the garden because I go out in the fields. There's a kitchen, I never go in the kitchen unless I do laundry because the washing machine is there and I say hello to other people. Or go and get a cup of tea. I have a bathroom, I never use the bath to have a bath. My shower takes about 5 minutes. So there's things that, you know, it's good to experience, to feel like powerful and prosperous. But when you know that abundance is all within, it doesn't even matter those things. I would feel as abundant living in the woods. So yeah, so I'm moving for that. Moving in a smaller place that costs less so that I can focus on other things that truly matters. Connecting with people and playing. Reminding people about a life of fun and play and entertainment is going to take me to go out there and show them. Just like I do on this YouTube channel, or try to at least show people the feeling you get in your body when you go into action, when you play, when you share with others. And I just hope that it's possible to make it and people will open up to the reality that this is possible for them. And if you're watching this video and you're not playing every single day, laughing every single day, more than anything else, I hope that you go back to this more and you remind yourself who you were as a child. If you can, find these memories back. You didn't care about materialism, you didn't care about having a car, you didn't care about which type of clothes you were wearing, you didn't care about getting a job, having to work and earn money, you didn't care about even raising a family. You just cared about one thing, having fun with other people, animals, nature, all of that stuff. Okay, so that was this video. Sorry for the crying thing and the emotional part. I had to share that. I had to share that. You don't need to be a teacher, a healer, a guru. You don't need to do retreats, seminars. You don't need to do that today. You just need to do one thing. Focus on you and share. And if you wonder how to make money, what I believe is what I do. Share your life. Share your life to the world. Share your life to others. And you can sell anything. T-shirt. I don't sell t-shirts. I may do that. Sell t-shirts, books, items, anything, CDs, meditations, whatever you like to share. It doesn't actually matter when you just share with the world and thus create a community of people who like what you share. People will want to buy whatever you put out there for sale. Share. I just did a video on tarot reading. Basically, share your talents and ask for a price in return. And if you don't know how to price, ask for donation. It is that simple. It may take time at the beginning, take time for you to, for your mind to settle on that, to believe this is possible, to feel ready. But I can promise you, if you do that with all the faith in the world, and you keep doing it despite the challenges, despite your mind telling you to quit, maybe every single day, you will live in abundance because you will be your true self and you will have energy. Okay, enough of that video. I myself, I'm tired of it. I need to dance and move right now. So I hope you are tuning with your inner child. Don't forget about who you are, and just stop trying to produce, stop trying to create more things that there already is on this planet. Just pause and enjoy and have fun. Literally, yeah. I shall see you in the next video. Join the newsletter if you want. Any other links will be in the description underneath this video. Bye now.